Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Anca and I do art and illustration related videos. So if you're into that, make sure you subscribe and check out the other videos on my channel. So for today's video, I am painting a pet portrait for one of my patrons. I am using my Arteza Gouache and the Finetec Pearlescent colors to do this portrait. And I thought it would be nice to talk a bit about some tips on growing your YouTube art channel in particular, while you enjoy the speed painting. So I've had YouTube for about 3 years now, and I discovered some tips that have helped me grow my channel to where it is right now. So my number one tip would be to consider this a commitment. So basically, when I started YouTube, I didn't know how much time I would spend on this. It was basically a very spontaneous decision. I bought a camera and I started filming, so I didn't think too much about it. But overall, it takes me kind of the whole weekend because I do have a day job. And this is a commitment I was willing to do for the next years. So keep in mind that it's a process that takes time. So your channel won't grow overnight unless you're very lucky or the content you do will go viral. But that doesn't usually happen for most people. So yeah. Basically, it's like signing a contract for a new job. My second tip, and the most important one, is always be consistent. So I've been doing this for 3 years, as I've said, and I can say that I've missed about 2 weekends where I didn't upload. Either I was sick or I was away. But other than that, I managed to post weekly one video, and I did this by setting up a schedule. So I usually film on Sunday or Saturday depending on my schedule. I will edit the video the next week and upload it the next Sunday. So it's good to set up a schedule and always be consistent, because people rely on your channel to be entertained and they like people who are consistent. My third tip would be to figure out what works best for your channel. So try not to copy what other people are doing. Upload a few videos in the beginning where you basically have no idea what you're doing, and as time goes by you will figure out what people like more or what they don't really like. It also really depends on the algorithm of YouTube. So yeah, it's a kind of a trial and error process. I noticed that people like a lot of DIY videos, block printing works really well, and sketchbook tours as well. Another tip I have is to promote your art channel or your YouTube channel on pretty much all social platforms you are on. So Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest is a very good one for artists, Twitter or whatever you're using. Basically post that you have a YouTube channel, make it consistent, and people will eventually want to see what you're talking about. Also, it helps to post small video snippets on Instagram or on Facebook to make the people interested in your video, and try to take really good pictures to promote your videos and your channel. So I try to do this by taking nice pictures of my thumbnails, generate interest basically in your videos. Another tip would be to try to make every video you post useful in some sort of way. Especially for art channels, you want to upload videos that serve a purpose. So either it's sharing your skills or trying to explain what you did in an illustration or doing a tutorial, making an art challenge. Make the videos interesting and make them have a purpose. Another tip is to be friendly and relaxed. So whenever you're filming your videos, whether it's through voiceover or a face-to-face video, try to show your personality off, because people enjoy natural people, and try not to make your videos too scripted, because that's a bit off-putting. Also, humor really helps, so people like to watch funny stuff. If you can incorporate that in your videos, then that's a total plus. And I think my last tip would be to, and this kind of relates to something I talked before, is try to figure out what's trending or what people would like to see and isn't already on YouTube, because there are so many videos on YouTube. It's hard to find a niche. It's hard to post something that people are interested in and haven't found an answer yet. So for me, the type of videos that work really well are also about art supplies. So if you have an art supply that has no reviews on YouTube, then that's maybe an idea for a good video. Or even art challenges work really well. Yeah, it's really, as I said, a trial and error, and it's about uploading your first batch of YouTube videos, then analyzing what went wrong, what went well, figuring out what people enjoy the most. So I hope this video is helpful to anybody who wants to start an art channel. For me, I know that I did research a bit before starting YouTube, but I couldn't really find too much information about this, so I kind of winged it, and it's basically a mix between luck, skill, and YouTube's algorithm. So if you're planning to start a YouTube channel, I wish you the very best of luck, and I hope that you found this video helpful. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, check out my Patreon, and thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! You let me break your heart and see the light of day.